Okay, so part 2A4C3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p34c. I went for my camera to focus in here. It's really slow. Oh my goodness, it takes forever. Okay, line 22f1fa 19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p34c. Particles, Fock State, Tensors, Metals, 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radial signal, and this is Fock Space and Tensors, bendable metals. There's a little formula in this video as well for the UFO spaceship, constituent particle, quantum transport, math equations from the well data. January 26, 2013, today's February 4th. The keyword Brunauer-Emmett-Teller to the keyword Arrhenius law from previous videos, line 22f1fa 19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p33, Brunauer-Emmett-Teller, Raney, nickel, metals, 5G Wow Seti, line 22f1fa 19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p34b. I missed it in the last video. I thought I missed something. Constituent Avogadro, Boltzmann vapor, 5G Wow Seti. So January 31st, 2013. You can see I've been working on this for a couple months now. Oh, about a week. Different days. Keyword the Arrhenius equation to Boltzman Constant to Fock State, Fock Space in previous videos. Line 22f1fa 19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p34a. Arrhenius, Brunauer-Emmett-Teller, Eyring, 5G Wow Seti. Line 22f1fa 19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p34b. Constituent Avogadro, Boltzmann vapor, 5G Wow Seti. The keywords from the Boltzman Constant to Fock State to Constituent Particle continues from the previous video. What number am I on? I'm lost. I'm 31st. Yeah, it's the same thing. I'm repeating myself there. This is what I get when I copy and paste stuff and then forget what I did. So the keyword constituent particle, quote from Wiki, in quantum mechanical process, the total number of particles may not be preserved. The concept is therefore generalized to the particle number operator, that is, the observable that counts the number of constituent particles. In quantum field theory, the particle number operator, see Fock State, is conjugate to the phase of the classical wave, see coherent state. January 31st, 2013. The formula from the data is particle number operator in Fock State. The keyword Fock State is a quote from Wiki. A Fock State, also known as a number state in quantum mechanics, is any element of a Fock space with a well-defined number of particles or quanta. To keyword Fock Space, quote Wiki, the Fock space is an algebraic construction used in quantum mechanics to construct the quantum state space of a variable or unknown number of identical particles from a single particle Hilbert space H. It is named after V.A. Fock, who first introduced it in his paper Configure. It's in some sort of language. German maybe? Okay. Informally, a Fock space consists of a set of Hilbert spaces representing a zero particle state. I'm just guessing, that could be any language. A one particle state, a two particle state, and so on. It's from Europe. If the identical particles are bosons, the n particle state is a symmetrized tensor product of n. Single particle Hilbert space is H. If the identical particles are fermions, the n particle state is an anti-symmetrized tensor product of n. Single particle Hilbert space H. A state in Fock space is a linear combination of states where each state has a definite number of particles. Technically, the Fock space is the Hilbert space completion of the direct sum of the symmetric or antisymmetric tensors in the tensor powers of a single particle Hilbert space H. There's the equation for it. There is the operator which symmetrizes or anti-symmetrizes a tensor depending on whether the Hilbert space describes particles obeying bosonic or fermionic statistics, and there's two equations there. And the overline represents the completion of the space. The bosonic fermionic Fock space can alternatively be constructed as a Hilbert space completion of the symmetric tensors. And there's some more stuff for you to look at. Alternating tensors, another equation. For every basis for H, there is a natural basis of the Fock space and Fock states. My thoughts. I'm confused. Bendable metals for the UFO spaceship come to mind. The tensions in the outer shell, designs and structure of the core, ellipsis, circles, etc. Formula from the data. Fock states, Hilbert space, bendable metals, symmetric tensors, tension in the superalloys, degrees and dimensions. Fock space, classical wave will be in the next video. Thanks for, so it's classical wave to coherent state is going to be in the next video. Thanks for watching.